Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to this particular video. This is a market price analysis of the Alephium token. Currently the price sits at 0.1217, okay, and there's a market slump that happened today because Bitcoin fell by almost 4%, okay. Bitcoin currently sits at $98,000, so it rippled to other cryptocurrency assets, okay. So that's why we have this slump in price. But nevertheless, that is natural. That's the market dynamics. So expect a price recovery anytime soon. So currently our price sits at 0.1217. Okay. Then when we head down, we see that our market capitalization is about $14.89 million, a 13.02 decline. Our market volume appreciated by about 37% to $438,000. Our fully diluted volume is about $26.3 million. Okay. You know, so when you keep going, you will see our ranking. We're currently ranked 3.9 out of 5 stars. Our contract address still remains the same. Our website and white paper are intact. Okay. And that's it. So as we keep scrolling up, we can see the exchanges. We have centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are exchanges where you have to sign up with your details like your name, your email address, your phone number. You have to carry out or know your customer verification, submit a valid means of identification, such as your international passport or your driver's license. You know, any means of identification that the exchange will approve needs to be submitted. Meanwhile, decentralized exchanges are exchanges where you can work anonymously. You just have to connect your wallet, and your phrase to have access to trade. Okay, so the centralized exchanges were listed on our trade looked displayed below, and there are 24 hours trading volume. So we're running through them one by one. So the first one is BitGet. We have traded about $76,000 within the last 24 hours. Get.io, we have traded about $95,000 within the last 24 hours. MEXC always tops the chart with approximately about $150,000. Bitmart has about $11,451. By economy, $17,205. BitUnix has about $68,939. So let's head to the second page. So we're still dealing with the centralized exchanges. We can see Coinfinex. Coinfinex traded about $50,657, and non-KYC.io exchange, just like I explained, traded about $46,750. So all this market capitalization constituted this price we see above, $438,000, okay, which is a 40.1% increment appreciation from yesterday. Okay, so also mind you, we also have decentralized exchanges like I earlier explained. We have Uniswap and PancakeSwap, but they constitute a very very minute volume, in comparison with the centralized exchanges, at least for now. So if you look at Uniswap version 3, we have approximately $21,000. And if you look at, okay, sorry, approximately $22,000 adding the version 4, and PancakeSwap just traded $79 as of the last 24 hours. Okay, so this is a history, a summary of the market capitalization and the breakdowns. Okay, so when we head lower, we can see the community. The community is always very important, okay, because that will show you people's comments, the latest dealings about any token. Currently, our ALF token, the sentiment is bullish. We have about 88% bullish sentiment. I've also voted now, and we can see that we have community members that are optimistic about the current market trend. Okay, so I'm trying to log into the comment, and it's loading my app in real time. Okay, so we can see what people are saying. Nisika Gold, of waking up the momentum. Chart structure looks clean. Momentum building for a potential breakout towards 0.1286. The trend line tightening, and the bulls are eyeing their moment. Could this be the start of Alf's next big up? Okay, we can see the market analysis he made. Um, and he has two loves. If we scroll down, we can see other people also making comments. That's just basically it. Yeah, it is a kind of an era you come to, and you have a kind of a feel of people's perception of the market's current trend. Okay, riches. This person states that good morning family. Alephium doesn't scale by surrendering decentralization or security. It scales by design through shattered UTXO architecture. UT means unspent transaction, efficient proof of less work, and real layer one innovation. If you press read all, it opens and the list goes on. So you can see various comments from people in this regard. Let's go to the latest. It's loading. When we head to the latest, Frank is saying that isn't just Alephium isn't just another blockchain. It's built on a unique UTXO plus smart contract model designed for real scalability. So you can always come to the comment section to get more information about what people are saying. Currently, our price slumped by 12.91. You can see it at the right hand upper corner. You know, so that's just a basic summary. Let me head to the 24 hours chart. Let's see what's happening. Okay, it's this chart is being sponsored by TradingView. I'll go into an in-depth market analysis shortly. So that's just a summary. Currently, we sit at 919 in the current market ranking, current market ranking. We're aiming to be at least at top 100, and with what the core team is working on, we'll definitely get there because we just launched our bridge feature, which is very phenomenal, and we're also working on the staking, which is going to come. A lot of people have been asking about staking because people want to earn passively. The core team is working hard on it day and night, and once the staking app is being launched, like feature, sorry, or rather, people can now stake, and the circulating supply will be reduced. And once the circulating supply is being reduced, which is currently 122 million, you find that the price will appreciate, okay? Because the integrity of the network has been improved. Okay, so with this, I'm wrapping up this video. If you have any question, feel free to head to our Telegram sections to ask questions. We have administrators are on board 24 hours of the day to answer your questions. And also, we also have our Twitter group where you can also ask questions and get answers. And lastly, you can also ask me your questions and I'll be glad to answer. So that brings an end to this video. Thank you so much for watching it and see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and bye.